Chiliz is the local badge of the Socios crypto network. The aspiration of the Socios stage, which was established by Alexander Dreyfus in 2018, is to change over all 3.24 billion gamers overall from simple onlookers into group-associated powerhouses with dynamic powers. At the end of the day, this extreme type of commitment means to place the fans in the driving seat. We should investigate and furthermore examine a portion of the Chiliz cost expectations that were being made starting around the 18th of October 2022. How does CHZ function? Chiliz is named a virtual monetary resource as per the Maltese Virtual Monetary Resources Act. Since the Socios fan commitment stage has worked from the beginning, it involves CHZ as its selective on-stage cash. At the point when fans gain Chiliz, they become piece of the group oversaw choice motor for whichever association they have decided to help. The more completely a group drenches itself in a Socios organization, the more remarkable that group's fan commitment suggestion becomes. Socios permits fans to buy marked fan tokens from probably the greatest and most eminent games groups on the planet, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, Galatasaray, and UFC. Fans should buy CHZ through a digital money trade to obtain fan tokens. These tokens, which are well defined for a group or club, are limited, computerized resources that give admittance to a scrambled record of casting a ballot and enrollment privileges possession. Possession offers fans the capacity to take part in fan drove choices through a versatile democratic stage, as well as filling in as a ticket into a select inward circle of fans. The more tokens a fan holds and the more they vote, the higher the clout rating of that fan, moving them upwards through various prize levels until they approach the greatest celebrity benefits on offer. Socios has drawn in a noteworthy cluster of clients, including in excess of 100 significant worldwide brandishing associations, a large number of them top football clubs. For example, FC Barcelona, Paris Holy Person Germain, Manchester City, Juventus, Inter Milan, Munitions Stockpile, Atletico Madrid, AS Roma, Galatasaray, and some more. On the 16th of December 2021, Socios declared it had consented to 12 new arrangements with groups in the U.S. Public Hockey Association, the greatest single day-to-day absolute, and Game Club International, one of Brazil's driving football clubs. On the 2nd of December 2021, it started exchanging on the Kraken trade. On the 11th of January 2022, it reported a sponsorship manage Italian football's Lega Serie. It likewise declared that the New York Knicks B-Ball Group and New York Officers Ice Hockey Group had joined. In late January, it reported new football club manages the Russian club FC Spartak Moscow, the Brazilian group CR Vasco da Gama, and the French club AS Monaco. On the 15th of February 2022, European football's overseeing body UEFA marked a worldwide permitting and local sponsorship concurrence with making it the authority fan token accomplice of the UEFA Champions Association, UEFA Europa Association, UEFA Europa Gathering Association, and UEFA Super Cup. On the 13th of April, Socios declared organization manages 13 American football establishments, igniting an 18% elevate in the worth of CHZ. However, that was little longer contrasted with the negative opinion confronting the cryptographic money area in April, and the addition before long dissipated. One thing to note is that, as Chiliz depends on Ethereum and the Binance Savvy chain, it is a token as opposed to a coin. You might see references to such things as a Chiliz coin cost expectation, or to Chiliz coin news, yet these are off base, raising regular fan insight. The exceptional suggestion of the Chiliz token is that professes to lift regular fan commitment encounters by enabling allies to become powerhouses of any serious substance. This, thusly, empowers groups, associations, and occasions from any edge of the games in a sports world to adapt the fan interest for these democratic freedoms through imaginative blockchain-based devices. Chiliz cost history. The CHZ token was sent off in October 2018 and accomplished all-time high on 13 WAC 2021 of 89 cents, more than triple its October level. Just 7 days sooner, on 6 WAC 2021, CHZ had been exchanging at 11 cents. The cost spike on 13 WAC 2021 could be ascribed to the stage's declaration prior that month that it would put $60 in the tokenization of brands, media, amusement, and retail. Notwithstanding, the value withdrew to 46 cents on the 6th of April 2021, preceding moving back up to 83 cents on the 16th of April 2021. From that point onward, the CHZ cost solidified and exchanged the 20 cents to 40 cents territory. Interest for the crypto bounced somewhat toward the finish of October when the token was exchanging 64 cents on the 30th of October 2021. However, this solid bounce back was brief and the value tumbled to close the year at 28 cents. Up to this point, 2022 has been an unfortunate year for cryptographic money, and Chiliz has not precisely set the market on fire. The crypto tumbled to a low of 14 cents on the 24th of February 2022 following Russia's intrusion of Ukraine. in spite of the fact that there is a recuperation. With something of a bull run coming full circle in a high of 32 cents on 30 walk, the cost before long tumbled down once more. Things deteriorated in May, when the news that the US stablecoin had become pegged caused the breakdown of the related Luna digital money and dove the market into disturbance, with CHZ sinking to a low of 8 cents. Then, in June, the crossing out of withdrawals on the Celsius crypto loaning network affirmed the bear market, and the CHZ value tumbled to 8 cents. After that, there was a recuperation, supported to a limited extent by the report about Bybit, and a meeting finished on the 23rd of September with a high of 28 cents. Economic situations made a decrease in cost 16 cents on the 13th of October. In any case, the news that the Chiliz Association had grown its labor force by 70% throughout the span of 2022 assisted it with remaining at about 18 cents on the 18th of October 2022. Around then, there were 6 billion CHZ available for use out of a complete stock of precisely 8,888,888,888. This gave the token a market cap of somewhat more than $1 billion, making it the 46th biggest crypto by that measurement. Chiliz cost expectations, cost figures, particularly with regards to something as unpredictable as cryptographic money, frequently end up being incorrectly. Long-haul crypto value expectations are many times made utilizing a calculation, and that implies that they can change immediately. All things considered, here are a portion of the Chiliz cost forecasts that were being made starting around the 18th of October 2022. Had a blended present moment Chiliz cost expectation for 2022, proposing that the token could ascend to 22 cents by the 23rd of October prior to dropping to 12 cents by the 17th of November. In general, the site's specialized examination was critical, with 18 markers making negative signs, against 10 making bullish ones. Had a downbeat CHZ cost expectation. The site predicted a difficult stretch ahead for the token throughout the span of the following a year or somewhere in the vicinity, with the cost possibly plunging to 3 cents by October 2023. Offered a more certain Chiliz crypto cost expectation. It anticipated that the token should reach 19 cents in 2022, while its Chiliz cost expectation for 2025 saw CHZ possibly moving to 48 cents. A similar site gave a Chiliz cost expectation for 2030 of $1.01. In unpredictable cryptographic money markets, it is vital to do your own exploration on a coin or token to decide whether it is ideal for your venture portfolio. Whether CHZ is a reasonable venture for you relies upon your gamble resilience and the amount you plan to contribute, among different variables. Remember that previous exhibition is no assurance of future returns, and never put away any cash that you can't bear to lose. It is difficult to say. A ton will rely upon whether Socios and Chiliz can grow, as well as on what befalls the market overall going ahead. Keep in mind, you ought to continuously do your own careful exploration prior to making a venture. Indeed, even high market cap digital currencies have demonstrated powerless against the ongoing bear market, so financial backers ought to be ready to make misfortunes and never buy beyond what they can stand to